Take two. Take three. I can't speak, guys. I don't know how to vlog. So it's almost 5 p.m. and we are trying to get into the rooftop of this building. It's next to a metro station, thankfully, like right next to a metro station. So we're here and hopefully, yeah, hopefully we get in and nobody catches us. Okay, so we are on the way to the rooftop and I hope security doesn't catch us because it's not exactly illegal, but it's not allowed. So let's do it. Okay. So we moved this thing. Now we're back. Let me show you the way, guys. Now that is Dubai. Oh my god! Dude, it's so amazing! It is like the best thing ever. It's so amazing. Okay, it feels so good to just, oh my god. Guys, this view is, look at the cars, it's so small. Oh, I am going to fall. Man, this is loose, I think. Dude, the beach. Yo, that's Dubai. Oh, he's still checking if security is coming. I mean, oh, he said no problem, so I guess no problem. Oh, he's back. Imagine if we woke up here like every single day. So we found a screw. I think it's from this, and people actually stand on top of this. We are standing on top of it. If you ask me, do I want to risk it? I don't know. Oh my god, this is actually nice. This actually looks nice. I mean, so nice. Oh, he was recording me. So it's time for us to leave this beautiful spot because we are going to a next building. I think it's that one somewhere over there. I'm not sure if you can see, even I can't see. So yes, we'll have to say goodbye to this beautiful spot. My god. Look at this! This is so nice! Like, so amazing to just be here and stand and vlog. It's so nice. Nowshad, do you agree? Yes. So, I guess we have to go because it's getting late. We're actually fasting and It's not necessary, but you'll get to know me. So I guess this is goodbye. Bye guys. Nowshad. Bye bye. I'll miss this place. I'll miss the city. That's Dubai. That is Dubai. Just that. We are safely back from the rooftop. We are in the lift now, I think the 12th floor, and it's almost ground floor. Nobody caught us, nobody saw us till now. I think it's mission passed. Yes. Okay, I think I'll have to go. So we are back and we just crossed the reception. The guy was looking at us. We smiled at him and came back. So let's go. So we are at the rooftop now. Not exactly a rooftop, it's a launch. Pretty open and a lot of photographers come here and videographers come here. So we are at the metro station now and we are going back. And this day was fun. I think I personally love the first rooftop more than the second one because it was a launch and so many people were there. The tables were reserved and we really couldn't get the perfect shot, I guess, but we kind of took a few shots. It was pretty good. And that's them. Yeah. So we are kind of meeting our friends again because we told we'll be going for one more rooftop, but it's already 10:30 and no, we gotta leave. I have a long journey left and yep, pretty much done. So I guess that's it, and I'll be seeing you guys again. Inshallah. Until then, this is Shahrukh in Nowshad signing off. See you guys.